Guys, have you ever wondered how to keep your desk clutter-free while staying on top of everything from what time it is to stocks, shares and social updates? Well, today we're diving into the world of the Divoom Times Gate. This is a multifunctional pixel art informative display that could transform your workspace, and it looks pretty damn cool. So stick around to see just what is so good about this piece of kit. I'll be back in a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the Times Gate from Divoom. Now, if you don't know Divoom, well, they make some very cool tech that is based around pixel art. And you know what? I had the pleasure of making a video for their D2 mic mini karaoke pixel art Bluetooth speaker, which sounded really good. I'll leave a card up there for that. But guys, this is the Times Gate, and you know what? It takes the whole cool looking tech thing to a different level. Now guys, before we get into it, Divoom sent me this Times Gate to review for my honest opinion. And you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad or indifferent. So let's get this out of the box and see what we have. So guys, as usual with Divoom, we've got some cool packaging. First off, you get this gift bag, and then you get the carry case. And I've got to say, it's all very tech looking and pretty solid. Open up the box and we have a box with a USB-C cable. Yep, that's right. If you want to power this up, guys, you need to be connected to a wall socket or a portable battery pack. There is no rechargeable battery inside. This has to be plugged in. And then guys, we have the Times Gate itself. And you know what? My first impressions are, wow, this is some kind of futuristic bit of kit. And you know what? The attention to detail is second to none. You have some cool looking feet to stand this on, guys. On the top, you have your controls for power, pairing, light selection and light dimming. Yes, this bad boy has got some pretty configurable RGB lighting. And then you have those 5 full color LCD pixel art screens, and a quick look on the back, guys, and you've got your USB-C connector to power this up. I've got mine plugged into a battery pack just for convenience. Now, although guys, this looks like the coolest piece of tech ever, it's those customizable screens which are the real stars of the show, and you can individually customize each screen using an intuitive app. Yeah, there's an app. Download it on your phone, search for your device and pair this up. The app will also allow you to connect to your Wi-Fi, so this thing is going to be online displaying live information. And any issues with pairing, guys, you can hold down the power button for 10 seconds and it will reset the device. Now, when I finally got this up and running, I got a note to say that the firmware needed updating. So you know what? I went ahead, did that, all pretty easy. And then once paired up, guys, I was able to configure a ton of different things like time, date, alarm clock, stocks, a scoreboard, a timer, a stopwatch, even social media info like that. Here's my channel info. Pretty cool, huh? And guys, you can also select time zones, right? There's a way you can display 5 different cities with their time zones. I mean, it's so cool. And you know what? It gets even more interesting with the fact that you can download pixel art, right? I mean, this is like a big thing in a lot of places, particularly it's that retro kind of look that actually people are really, really going for. And guys, you can actually create your own pixel art if you want to, and you can even type text on it and it will upload it to the device. So you can really customize this to be as cool as you want it to. I mean, imagine changing the display from a digital clock to a live social media counter right at your fingertips. I mean, it's pretty cool. And for the tech savvy and financially savvy, this gadget can display real-time stock and cryptocurrency and exchange rate information. And you know what? You can track the price movements of your chosen stocks live. It's never been easier or more accessible. And you know what, guys? The physical design, well, you know, I'm in love with this. This thing is very futuristic. It looks great. And you know what? You get this RGB ambient light as well to enhance its appeal. And I'll tell you, this is going to make any room look futuristic, cool, and add a certain vibe, right? And for those who appreciate a nod of nostalgia, well, the design can also mimic the charm, that classic charm of Nixie tubes, you know, with that durability and vibrancy of a modern display. I mean, you know, you look at this tube, look at the clock, it just looks like it's like, you know, in valve tubes. I mean, it looks cool. And moreover, guys, this device isn't just a pretty face. The practical functionalities can extend to also displaying local weather updates, RSS feeds, like I said, world clocks, and you know what, if you're by the coast, even local tides. So you know what, guys, this is very cool, but it's not just very cool, it is very, very, very useful. And you can choose what you want to have on each of the screens. You can have it as one big screen like I've got it here, showing my social media. You can individually customize the screens to show some pixel art, your name, you know, a photograph, anything you want. You can customize this to do pretty much anything. And the fact that you can actually create your own art, I mean, that makes it pretty special. So guys, there you have it. If you ever wanted to minimize desktop clutter while maximizing functionality with something that looks like it's out of a space film or a sci-fi film, the Divoom Times Gate might just be what you're looking for. This pixel art informative display not only keeps you updated on essential info, but it does it in style, making it a standout addition to any workspace. Like I said, my only wish would have been to have had a rechargeable battery in here. However, you know what, with a battery pack plugged in, it's kind of all good. Now, at a cost of 120 of the good old British pounds, it's not cheap, but you know what? For a cool piece of tech that will get everybody talking, and the fact that it's got a ton of features, I think it's well worth it. Guys, I'll leave any product links and any discount codes in the description. And if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Divoom for sending me this very cool piece of kit to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.